Hey Donna,
Uh,
what do you think about beekeeping at night?
it's an experience,
It's
but I
definitely an
never thought
experience.
I'd see these bees marching in this hive.
They're just marching on up in there, aren't they? We shook them trying to get all the bees out of the top box, back into the bottom box. So now they have to go through a cloak board and queen excluder to get back in the top box because we're going to raise some more queens here in a little bit. We're grafting from another hive that's over here behind us. You can't see, but that's, well, that tall box there that my finger's pointing at, that one. We're going to get some eggs and larvae out of there and graft into this box. Though we're looking for queens here too because we think we got a couple of virgin queens in here that should have just been out on a mating flight. But anyway, this thing was loaded with bees a while ago, but as you can see, they're marching back in. As soon as we got some bees up here on the front landing board fanning, and you can feel the air from them, by the way. Once we got them up there fanning, then these bees just started marching on in there. So they'll all be in there next 15, 20, 25 minutes. We might have to coax these guys and get them going. But that looks like they're starting to move some that way. Yep,
They are.
some that way too. They just
As it
on the
clears
lower
out.
end, the wind's blowing across this way and
As it clears
making it a
out,
little
they're
bit
going
harder to
up.
smell on this side. Anyway,